First of all, we should explain what a wig is, what a hair topper is, and what the differences are. A wig is a head covering made from human hair or synthetic fibre. Wigs cover hair loss and can be used to try a new colour or hairstyle. Our human hair wigs are made from 100% real human hair to give you a natural feel. A hair topper, also known as a wiglet or hair enhancer, is a natural looking hairpiece that clips onto your head to blend in with your own hair. They are good for coverage on one area of the head. A wig provides total head coverage, whereas a topper is best for coverage on a smaller, more specific area. A wig is the best option for complete baldness, advanced hair thinning, or advanced hair loss. A topper is best for partial hair loss, scarring alopecia, or a thinning part. For wigs, there are 5 different cap constructions, from lace front to a completely hand-tied cap. Many wigs also include adjustable straps in the back. Compared to toppers, toppers have lace, mono, and silk bases. Clips are optional to wear for wigs, as a wig cap has grip and you can also use a wig band. Wigs are comfortable and there is no chance of damage to your own hair. Clips are necessary for topper application. You need to clip the clips into your own hair while wearing the topper so it will stay on. You can wear any hair colour wig, it doesn't have to match your own hair colour. Wigs can be worn in high buns and ponytails. Compared to toppers, the topper colour needs to match your own hair colour as closely as possible so that the topper blends in seamlessly. We hope this comparison was helpful to you.